Hi, in this video we will understand about Gemba work. Now first understand what is Gemba work. Or before that, let's understand what is the meaning of word Gemba. So Gemba is a Japanese term and it means the real place. So the real place we can understand is the place where the actual things happen. So within the manufacturing industry, within the parental manufacturing industry or within the medicine manufacturing industry, the real place will be where the actual medicine manufacturing occurs, the shop floor, where the operators and supervisors are working. So everything is fine, then why we need Gemba work? So Gemba work is specifically or mostly desired for the leaders or the managers to go to the actual workplace and to see the things. Now, why it is required? So let's understand who works on the shop floor. On the shop floor, operators and supervisors are working, and they are trained and experienced for their job. But they are not the most experienced people, or they may not have the wisdom to see the things beyond the actual what it looks, to see the things beyond the what actually in front of him, so that the opportunity of making it better, they may not realize the opportunity of making it better, or they may not realize that there are certain problems within the system which can be fixed so that manufacturing process excellence can be achieved. But since because of their limited experience on a limited work area, that wisdom cannot be brought in. So that is the purpose that leaders and the managers should go to the real workplace and see the things. So now you're getting some idea that what is the purpose of Gemba work. So Gemba work is a walk or the visit by the leaders, by the managers who are experts in that area, to go and to see the process by themselves, their own eyes, stand and observe what's happening, so that they can understand the real process within the company. And if there are certain opportunities areas, there are certain problems which they are not able to, the people who are working daily are not able to identify, but because of their experience they can see that by doing this thing differently or by making certain changes, this process can be done very smoothly, or we can have done in less time, or we can have better output, or we can have better quality, or we can produce more within a less time. So these are the benefits of Gemba. So now what should be the plan of Gemba work, or what should be the purpose of Gemba work? So planning should be that the person, the leader, the manager who is going to the line should have a specific understanding that what I should be looking at and how I can contribute through my experience so that I can make the process better. It's not about boss work. It is about a work by leader who is really want to go and see the things and contribute. So when you go for Gemba, when one person goes for the Gemba, he has to interact with the people, see the process, understand their problems, and seeing means not a physical, actual, visible things which anybody can see and identify. Looking beyond what is visible and using the experience and wisdom, so that first thing is people will get encouraged that their leaders and their managers are coming to the site, coming to the real work area. They want to contribute, so the people, the operators and supervisor will tell their problems, what they are facing in day-to-day life, and they need some support so that that work can be simplified. Then as a leader you will be able to see that how actual process works, you get an understanding, and basis your experience you provide some inputs. And if you find the real problems which are not easily solved and they are observing occurring daily, then as a leader you can escalate, as a leader you can provide necessary resources to correct those problems, to correct the things which are usually not escalated by the line supervisors, understanding that things are working in this manner only and they cannot be improved. So this insight by Gemba work will give a clear-cut benefit to the organization and to the company and they will make the work of operators and supervisor easy. So this is the short purpose, I will say, for the Gemba work. I'll make more video to make it much more clear about the Gemba work, but hope this short video will be helpful to you. Thank you.